So today here we are going to learn about the theory of boundary layer, and which is very much useful in the field of aeronautical engineering. Okay, so to understand this theory, let us draw a flat plate which is kept at rest. So this is a flat plate which is kept at rest. Now we are considering a fluid which is flowing with a free stream velocity capital U. Okay, a real fluid with velocity capital U is considered. Okay, so as it comes in contact with the flat plate at this point, that is, suppose this real fluid, when comes in contact with the surface of this flat plate, suppose at this point, then its velocity will become 0 because the flat plate is at rest, or you can say stationary. Okay, and in that condition no slip condition occurs, because as the flat plate is at rest, the velocity of the flowing fluid will become 0 at this point. Okay, so when this fluid moves further over this flat plate will impart some resistive force on the fluid, and as we have considered real fluid, the viscosity will exist. Okay, so what happens, suppose if I'll consider this section, and if I'll consider the velocity of the flowing fluid is 0 at this point, and as it moves further, okay, there will be change in its velocity, and its velocity will increase slowly as this flat plate will impart resistive force over this fluid flowing. Okay, so its velocity will increase slowly, and at some point the velocity of the fluid over this flat plate will become equal to the velocity of the real fluid which is flowing without any obstruction. That is, small u will become 0.99 times capital U. Okay, where small u is the velocity of flowing fluid over flat plate. Okay, and as I said, capital U is the velocity of the real fluid when it is not in contact with any solid boundary. Okay, so at this point small u will become 0.99 times capital U, and as a result of which, in this much of area, the velocity gradient exists. Okay, velocity gradient exists, that is, du by dy exists, where du is the rate of change of velocity in y direction with respect to rate of change of distance. Y is the distance in x direction. Okay, now if I'll consider another section, suppose over here, over the flat plate, suppose this is section 1,1, now this is section 2,2. So I have considered another section over the flat plate. Now as the fluid moves over the boundary surface and as the distance in the x direction increases, the resistive force of the plate on the fluid will also increases. Okay, so here if I'll consider the velocity of flow to be 0, then again it will increase. But now here in this case, the increase in the velocity of the fluid will take much more time as compared to the section 1, because it is experiencing more resistive force. So suppose at this point we are getting small u is 0.99 times capital U, that is, the velocity of flowing fluid over the flat plate is mostly equals to the free stream velocity of the real fluid. Okay, so now when such points are connected by an imaginary line, okay, if you can see I am drawing an imaginary line, then this imaginary line is known as boundary layer. Okay, so boundary layer is defined as an imaginary line connecting all the points where small u is equals to 0.99 times capital U. Okay, or you can also say that the region where the velocity gradient exists is surrounded by an boundary layer. Okay, so here in this much region, okay, now I'll divide this figure into two regions. Okay, suppose this is region 1 which is inside this boundary layer, okay, and region 2 which is outside the boundary layer. This is inside the boundary layer and region 2 is outside the boundary layer. Okay, so as I told you that there will be presence of shear stress in the region 1 and the velocity gradient exists, and hence we can say that in region 1 shear stress tau is equals to mu du by dy, which is also known as Newton's law of viscosity. Okay, so there will be some viscosity in region 1. Okay, and in region 2 there will be no shear stress, hence there will be there will be no viscosity, as a result of which there will be no shear stress. So tau is equals to mu du by dy, where du by dy is the velocity gradient. Okay, and again I am repeating that velocity gradient is the rate of change of velocity in y direction with respect to rate of change of distance, rate of change of velocity in y direction with respect to rate of change of distance in x direction. Okay, so the area up to which this velocity gradient exists is known as is surrounded by a boundary layer, and the region above the boundary layer is the region where there will be no shear stress, as there is no change in the velocity with respect to distance, and hence the velocity gradient du by dy here du by dy is equals to 0, because this small u is almost similar to capital U. So there is no change in the velocity of the fluid in this region due to the presence of this plate. Okay, so hurriedly I am repeating the entire concept that if you consider a flat plate which is kept at stationary, and if a fluid with a free stream velocity capital U is flowing over a flat plate, then at the boundary of the flat plate the velocity of the flowing fluid will be 0, because the plate is at rest. Okay, the plate is at stationary, but as it is a case of real fluid, the viscosity will exist, and this solid flat plate will impart some resistive force over the fluid, and as a result of which the velocity of the fluid will get retarded, as you can see, and at some point, at this point, a time will come where there will be no effect on the velocity of the flowing fluid of this plate. Okay, so this stream of flowing fluid is free of the viscous effect due to this flat plate. Okay, and as a result of which small u will be mostly equals to capital U. Similar case happens over here, and when such points are connected by an imaginary line, then that imaginary line is known as boundary layer, and because of this boundary layer, this entire area has been divided into two parts. Okay, part 1 where the velocity gradient exists, and part 2 where the velocity gradient does not exist. So this was the overall theory of boundary layer. Thank you.